Our Majestic Shores, A Journey Along America's Coastal Wonders. Chapter 4, Coastal Environments, Salt Marshes, Wetlands of Wonder, Guardians of the Coast. Salt marshes, also known as coastal wetlands, are ecosystems that thrive in the intertidal zone between land and sea. They are found along sheltered coastlines and estuaries, where the gentle ebb and flow of tides nurtures a rich tapestry of life. These remarkable habitats are not only havens of biodiversity, but also play a crucial role in protecting our shores from erosion and storm surges. Salt marshes, a symphony of life. Salt marshes are teeming with life, providing food and shelter to a diverse array of plants and animals. Cordgrass, a salt-tolerant plant, forms dense stands that create a mosaic of verdant green across the marsh. These grasses provide nesting sites for birds such as the clapper rail and the willet, while their seeds nourish a variety of waterfowl. Willet. Fiddler crabs scurry through the mudflats, their waving claws a testament to the vibrant energy of the marsh. Fish, shrimp, and other marine creatures find refuge and sustenance in the intricate network of channels and pools that crisscross the marsh. Guardians of the coast. Salt marshes are nature's defense against coastal erosion. Their dense vegetation acts as a buffer, absorbing the energy of waves and storms before they reach the shoreline. This natural barrier helps to stabilize coastlines and prevent the loss of valuable land. Additionally, salt marshes play a vital role in filtering pollutants and excess nutrients from runoff, improving water quality and protecting coastal ecosystems. Threats to salt marshes. Despite their importance, salt marshes are facing numerous threats. Coastal development, pollution, and climate change are all contributing to the degradation and loss of these valuable habitats. Pollution. Climate change. As sea levels rise due to climate change, salt marshes are being squeezed between rising waters and developed land. This loss of habitat has a ripple effect on the entire coastal ecosystem, impacting the survival of numerous species and the livelihoods of coastal communities. Protecting salt marshes. Recognizing the ecological significance of salt marshes, conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore these vital ecosystems. Government agencies, environmental organizations, and local communities are working together to implement measures such as land acquisition, restoration projects, and sustainable development practices. By safeguarding salt marshes, we are not only preserving the unique and biodiverse habitat but also ensuring the resilience of our coastal communities in the face of rising seas and changing climates. Conclusion. Salt marshes are captivating ecosystems that embody the intricate relationship between land and sea. They are havens of biodiversity, protectors of our shores, and sentinels against the impacts of climate change. By understanding and appreciating the value of these coastal wetlands, we can work together to ensure their preservation for generations to come. Chapter 4. Coastal environments, mangroves, sentinels of the subtropics, defenders of the shoreline. In the realm of coastal ecosystems, mangroves stand as sentinels of the subtropics, valiant defenders of the shoreline against the relentless forces of nature. These remarkable trees, with their intricate root systems and ability to thrive in saline conditions, have carved out a niche in some of the world's most dynamic and fragile environments. Mangroves are found along tropical and subtropical coastlines, where they form dense forests that serve as vital buffers between land and sea. Their labyrinthine roots, reaching out into the water, create intricate habitats for a myriad of marine life, from tiny crustaceans to colorful reef fish. These underwater forests provide shelter, nursery grounds, and feeding areas for a multitude of species, contributing to the overall health and productivity of coastal ecosystems. Beyond their ecological significance, mangroves play a crucial role in protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. Their dense root systems act as natural breakwaters, dissipating wave energy and reducing the impact of waves on shorelines. This protective barrier helps to stabilize coastlines, preventing erosion and safeguarding coastal communities from the destructive forces of storms. Furthermore, mangroves are nature's carbon sinks, efficiently absorbing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. These coastal guardians not only mitigate the impacts of rising sea levels, but also help to regulate coastal water quality by filtering pollutants and sediments. Exploring mangrove forests is a journey into a world of wonder and resilience. Visitors can navigate through these verdant waterways by boat, kayak, or on foot, marveling at the intricate root systems and the diverse array of wildlife that call these forests home. The symphony of sounds, from the rustling of leaves to the calls of birds, creates a captivating soundscape that transports visitors to a realm where nature reigns supreme. Mangroves are a testament to the resilience of life, thriving in challenging conditions and providing invaluable services to both humans and wildlife. Their preservation is essential for maintaining the health and balance of coastal ecosystems, ensuring the well-being of coastal communities, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. As we continue to explore and appreciate these remarkable ecosystems, we recognize the urgent need to protect and restore mangrove forests, safeguarding their vital role in the intricate tapestry of life along our shores. Chapter 4: Coastal Environments, Coral Reefs, Jewels of the Sea, Ecosystems in Peril. Beneath the shimmering surface of the ocean, a vibrant world of color and life unfolds. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are among the most diverse and ecologically rich ecosystems on Earth. They provide habitat for a myriad of marine species, from tiny shrimp to large predators like sharks and rays. Coral reefs also play a crucial role in protecting coastlines from erosion and storm damage, and they support important fisheries and tourism industries. However, coral reefs around the world are facing a multitude of threats, including climate change, pollution, overfishing, and destructive fishing practices. Rising ocean temperatures due to climate change are causing corals to bleach and die. Pollution from land-based sources such as sewage and agricultural runoff can smother coral reefs and block sunlight, hindering their growth. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices, such as dynamite fishing and cyanide fishing, can damage or destroy coral reefs. In the United States, coral reefs are found primarily in the warm waters of Florida, Hawaii, and the U.S. territories in the Caribbean and Pacific. The Florida Reef Tract, located off the coast of Florida, is the third largest barrier reef in the world and home to a vast array of marine life. The Hawaiian Islands are surrounded by coral reefs that support a unique ecosystem, including the endangered Hawaiian monk seal. And the coral reefs of the U.S. territories in the Caribbean and Pacific are some of the most diverse and vibrant in the world. Protecting coral reefs is essential for the health of our oceans and our planet. Marine conservation organizations, government agencies, and local communities are working together to implement a variety of conservation measures, including establishing marine protected areas, reducing pollution, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. As sunlight filters through the crystal clear waters, it creates a mesmerizing dance of light and shadows on the coral reef below. The myriad colors of the coral, from fiery reds and oranges to delicate purples and blues, shimmer and dance in the underwater ballet. Schools of colorful fish dart in and out of the coral formations, adding to the symphony of movement and sound. The reef is a kaleidoscope of life, a vibrant tapestry woven by countless organisms, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Coral reefs are more than just beautiful underwater landscapes. They are also vital protectors of our coastlines. The intricate structure of a coral reef helps to dissipate wave energy and reduce erosion. This natural barrier helps to protect coastal communities from storms and hurricanes, reducing the risk of flooding and damage. Coral reefs also provide habitat for a variety of marine organisms that are important for maintaining a healthy ecosystem, including fish, shrimp, and crabs. These organisms serve as a food source for larger predators, such as sharks and dolphins, and they also help to recycle nutrients and maintain water quality. Chapter 4: Coastal Environments, Seagrass Beds, Underwater Meadows, Havens of Biodiversity. In the realm of coastal ecosystems, seagrass beds stand as underwater havens of biodiversity, teeming with life and ecological significance. These vast meadows of marine vegetation, found along coastlines worldwide, play a crucial role in supporting a myriad of marine species and maintaining the health of our oceans. Nature's nurseries and feeding grounds. Seagrass beds serve as vital nurseries for a variety of marine life. The intricate network of seagrass blades provides shelter and sustenance for juvenile fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. These underwater meadows offer a safe haven for young marine organisms to grow and thrive, protected from predators and harsh ocean currents. Additionally, the seagrass itself provides a rich food source for many herbivorous species, supporting a diverse food web within the coastal ecosystem. Coastal protectors and carbon sequestrators. Seagrass beds act as natural buffers, protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. Their dense root systems help stabilize the seabed, reducing the impact of waves and currents on coastal areas. This protective barrier helps mitigate coastal erosion, safeguarding property and infrastructure from the destructive forces of the sea. Furthermore, seagrass meadows play a significant role in carbon sequestration, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in their tissues. This natural process helps regulate global carbon levels and contributes to the fight against climate change. Biodiversity hotspots and habitat havens. Seagrass beds are renowned for their exceptionally high biodiversity. A single hectare of seagrass meadow can support a staggering array of marine life, including over 100 species of fish, 200 species of invertebrates, and various species of marine algae. This remarkable biodiversity makes seagrass beds crucial habitats for a multitude of marine organisms, providing essential breeding, feeding, and nursery grounds. Threats to seagrass meadows and conservation efforts. Despite their ecological significance, seagrass beds face numerous threats, including pollution, coastal development, and climate change. Excess nutrients from agricultural runoff and sewage discharge can lead to algal blooms, which block sunlight from reaching the seagrass and disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Coastal development and habitat destruction also pose significant threats to seagrass meadows, reducing their extent and affecting the marine life they support. Additionally, rising sea temperatures due to climate change can cause seagrass die-offs, further diminishing these vital ecosystems. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore seagrass meadows. marine protected areas, sustainable coastal development practices, and initiatives to reduce nutrient pollution are crucial steps in safeguarding these underwater havens. By implementing these measures, we can help ensure the long-term survival of seagrass beds and the diverse marine life they support. Chapter 4: Coastal Environments Estuaries, Where River Meets Sea, a Symphony of Life. Estuaries, those dynamic and ever-changing ecosystems where rivers meet the sea, are a symphony of life, a tapestry of habitats woven together by the ebb and flow of the tides. They are places of transition where fresh water mingles with salt, where land meets sea, and where a rich diversity of plants and animals thrive. In the heart of an estuary, where the river's current meets the ocean's waves, a ballet of life unfolds. Schools of fish, shimmering silver in the sunlight, dart through the water, their scales glinting like jewels. Crabs scuttle across the mudflats, their claws clicking like tiny castanets. Birds of all shapes and sizes soar overhead, their calls a chorus of welcome to this vibrant realm. Estuaries are a haven for migratory birds, providing them with food and shelter during their long journeys. Sandpipers probe the mudflats for tiny crustaceans, their long, slender beaks sifting through the sand. Herons stand sentinel in the shallows, their piercing eyes scanning the water for a passing meal. And at night, the air is filled with the haunting cries of seabirds returning to their nests after a day of foraging. The mudflats of an estuary are a rich ecosystem in their own right. Here, tiny organisms called megafauna, invisible to the naked eye, thrive in the nutrient-rich sediment. These microscopic creatures, including nematodes, copepods, and amphipods, are the foundation of the food chain, providing sustenance for a multitude of creatures, from crabs and shrimp to fish and birds. As the tide ebbs and flows, the estuary's landscape is constantly changing. Sandbars appear and disappear, channels shift and reform, and the water's salinity rises and falls. This dynamic environment favors plants and animals that are adapted to change, such as salt-tolerant grasses and mangroves. These hardy species help to stabilize the shoreline, protect against erosion, and provide habitat for a variety of wildlife. Estuaries are also important for human communities. They provide a natural buffer against storms and floods, helping to protect coastal communities from the ravages of nature. They are also a source of food, recreation, and cultural heritage. Fishing, crabbing, and shrimping are traditional livelihoods in many coastal communities, and estuaries provide a vital nursery for many commercially important fish species. However, estuaries are also fragile ecosystems threatened by pollution, climate change, and habitat loss. Human activities such as dredging, filling, and development can disrupt the delicate balance of these ecosystems, leading to a decline in biodiversity and a loss of habitat for wildlife. Climate change is also having a profound impact on estuaries, causing sea levels to rise and water temperatures to increase, which can stress marine life and alter the distribution of species. Protecting and restoring estuaries is essential for the health of our coastal ecosystems and the communities that depend on them. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24. Come using a self-developed program by Pasquale DeMarco. Download the ebook now